Hey, this is Adam Shelton. Welcome to the video. Today I want to show you an easy way of how you can make $100 per day. There's 7 ways you can do that. And I'm going to go right into this door right now, go right into the studio and show you how you can do it. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll be right back. Let's go ahead and do this. Okay, I'm in the studio right now. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let's go ahead and dive into the content, how you can learn how to make an income online, even if you're a beginner or a new person to the online space. I got you covered. You're in the right place at the right time. My name is Adam Shelton, and let's continue this content. As you see on the screen here, for only $7, you will get the step-by-step training that shows you exactly how to make money online. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, or it doesn't matter if you try to make money online and you fail. You in the right place at the right time. And let me go ahead and play this video for you for any social proof that it can happen. That's a little bit of the video that you're gonna get, and right below this video in the description box, you can go ahead and click on there and sign up today for only $7. You can go ahead and learn the skill set from people that from this video has actually done it. They put the work in and they was able to make an income online, and I know you can do it too, because I know you've probably been struggling online. You probably need extra money to pay the bills. You probably need money to go ahead and go on vacation. You probably need extra money just to basically get the makeup done, or get your hair done, or even go ahead and go to the restaurant and get a nice meal. Something like this can help you do it automatically with the proper skill sets. So this is what you're gonna get. The value of this, look at that, it says was $3,570. In the next 24 hours, you can buy 7 ways to win $7. You can do that, $7. I mean, these days, think about with $7 you can and can't buy. $7 these days, you can only buy so many different things. I mean, you can't even fill up your gas tank up with $7. With $7, you can learn skill sets to go ahead, but you can make more than $7 online. But let me tell you what you're exactly going to get with this. You're going to get 7 video information to help you to go ahead and make that money online, help you, put you in a position where you can succeed. So day 1, you're gonna get inspiration. Day 2, mindset. Day 3, motivation. Day 4, you're gonna get mastery. Day 5, content. Day 6, community. And day 7, commerce. You need to know all these type of things because it's all in one particular spot and will help you go ahead and produce the results I know you've been waiting for. 7 videos for $7. Think about that. You can't get that anywhere else online with that price and with the type of content that you're gonna go ahead and get. And let me tell you something else that you're gonna get, because you know how it is, you love bonuses. Don't you love bonuses? I love bonuses too. You're also gonna get the bonus number 1 with a value of $997. You get the one-on-one coaching, the private one-on-one coaching with a live mastery marketing specialist to help you launch your business. Then the bonus number 2, you get the mastery action plan. That value is $197. You get the PDF files of a 7-day online marketing mastery action plan. I really like that because if you're brand new, you have a set of information that you need to follow on a daily basis. And bonus number 3, a turnkey global business. Listen, if you like to travel and you like to make money, it actually goes together with this type of program, because you'll get your chance to learn from the people who've done it, who's traveled the world and are able to make an income online. And you'll definitely get a chance to see Steven's automated mobile business that gives you the freedom and the flexibility. Now, you're probably thinking this for a minute. You're probably watching this video and you're thinking, can I really make $100 or $1,000 a week or $10,000 a month? It's absolutely possible. It depending on what you put into the system, and you need something automated for you can make money while you're sleeping, or while you're going to the grocery store, or even while you're taking a walk. I mean, you can take the walk with the dog, walk the dog, and make $50, $100, $150. It is very, very possible with an automated business, and this model here can help you get there. So here's a quick recap of exactly what we were talking about. Day 1, inspiration. Day 2, mindset. Day 3, motivation, which is so important. Day 4, mastery. Day 5, you're going to get the content information. Day 6, community. And day 7, the commerce. You're going to learn how to put your business in automated mode. And this is a good value of $2,700 or $2,079. That's the value of this. But you're only going to get it for $7. Right below this video, click on there to get signed up. I don't know how long they're going to have this special price. I don't know. Think about this, $2,079 of the value of it, and you're going to get it for $7. I would act fast if I'm you. And plus, you're going to get the bonus material as well. That's just thrown in there just to help you get started. Because we want you to get started and start building a business online where you can go ahead and pay those bills that's on the kitchen table. That you can go ahead and travel the world. You can take your girlfriend, your wife, your husband out to that nice meal and not worry about the bill because you already got another business that's actually paying for those type of things as well. So go ahead, buy 7 ways to win now. Click on the link below this video so you can get started. I want you to go ahead and have the success you've always been wanting to. And right before I go ahead and close, here are some testimonials, and you'll see one from me. This is what I said. This is the place to be. Let me highlight this. Make sure you know what this is. This is the place to be in 2020. There are so many more transformation stories that the world will see in 2020. This is transforming me into a more progression and powerful leader. I had said that in 2020, and that was a testimony that I got it when I took advantage of this 7 ways to win, for I can learn how to make an income online. I bought the program, I took action in the program, and I was able to go ahead and give you results in the program of knowing that this does work. And I wanted to do a testimony for everybody to see, including yourself, for you can see that this actually works. And there's other testimonials that's on this page. There's other ones as well. Look at this one by LL. This is life-changing. The uniqueness of it is within your mind, body, spirit, and soul to transform into the best version of yourself. I believe in it so much that I got my very first tattoo. It means so much. So she got a tattoo over this program, over this opportunity. I'm not sure if I would go that far, but she's into the program. She's into the program, and you got much more people that is as well. And also, this is a money guarantee back opportunity. Money back 7-day guarantee. So if you got it and if you didn't like it, we'll definitely go ahead and cover that. Don't even worry about it. Just shoot us an email and we'll go ahead and take care of it. So this is something that it's a win or win. It's a win-win. If you want to get started, go ahead, click on the link below this video to get started. We'll walk you through the steps, sign up, get started, build that automated business where you can have success from home or from the hotel or from the vacation, from the beach. It doesn't matter where you're from. You can do this anywhere in the world. Heck, you can do this right from your phone. You can do this right from your phone. You can go ahead and plug it in. So my name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget, right below this video, click on the link below so you can go ahead and get signed up of making money online from home. Look out for that information and go ahead and plug into the content. All right, my name is Adam Shelton. I'll see you next time on the next video. I'll see you later.